Hey everyone, learn how to delete your Facebook account in PC. So when you're logged into the Facebook and at the top right corner where you have the profile icon, click on that and then we need to go to this settings and privacy. Once we click on that, you will find many options and again we need to click on settings. Once you click on the settings, a window will appear like this where you have personal details, password and security and other options. And here we will go to the top and we will click on personal details. The moment you click on that, you will again see a new window like this where you have the information, and we will click on accounts. We will click on personal details, and here we have this account ownership and control. Now to deactivate or delete Facebook account, we need to come here, account ownership and control, and we will click on that. And here it says a memorialization, decide what happens to your main Facebook profile after you pass away, or deactivation or deletion, temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your accounts and profiles. So we will click on this, and here it will ask you to select the account which you want to deactivate or delete. And here we have this deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporary and deleting your account is permanent. So you can choose whatever is convenient for you. And then we just need to click on continue, and it will ask for the password, and we need to click on continue again. And in this manner you can delete or deactivate your Facebook account. So this is how you can do it. And if you find this tutorial short, clear and helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe. Take care.